It's a very high-tech drill press with 40 tools in the tool changer. This tool is milling a circle for where the bearings will be attached, and a drive shaft will get mounted through the bearings.
So today we are part of International Manufacturing Day. So the intent is to help high school students learn about, become aware of, understanding manufacturing jobs that are in Contra Costa County in particular.
Ideally, we will take this finished, this blank, and do the machining to turn it into the finished part.
This company, for example, told students how they employ everything from the machine operators to engineers that are programming the devices, that are designing the machinery.
The water is a coolant which is used to flush away the machine chips and also to add some cooling when there's friction or heat buildup in the tool.
Our role is really to provide access and exposure and opportunities for youth, and hopefully that exposure sparks an interest, and then we can move them along the work-based learning continuum.
And so we have the drawing connected to our computer system where they can reference the specifications.
He's like incorporating computers with these tools as opposed to just like turn on the button, it does a thing. No, it's like you get to design, they get to design all these different tools, but with the tools, like they make tools with tools.
Yeah, our components are like Lego kits, and machine builders will take these individual parts and assemble them together on a frame to make their overall machine. So we make the ingredients for automation.
But they're also going to learn about the education piece that those colleges offer that provide a direct pathway to many of these careers.
This is like a first level of exposure, but we can move them into a paid internship.
The parts that we were watching being made is over here in this area is our drive-in. So this could be positioning, say, a basket of parts on an outfeed conveyor, or it can be used for a packaging machine operation.
Well, these are great jobs here, and a lot of times young people don't even know what exists in their own backyard. And the Workforce Development Board and Employment and Human Services Department for Contra Costa County has funding to support paid internships and wraparound supportive services like transportation, childcare, other resources that can remove barriers that might make it difficult for young people to have these opportunities.
So here we're going from students that have had almost no awareness of these types of jobs to seeing them in action, learning about what it takes to get there, visiting the actual educational programs that can help them get there, all within today.